Okay.
Hello everyone, my name is Dan. I'm 6 years old. Today I want to show you animal story.
Let's go.
Let's go. The the birds fly in the sky. The birds sit in the tree. Oh, where's dinosaur? The dinosaur don't see the apple. Oh, the dinosaur see the bird. The dinosaur said, "What are you doing in a tree?" Me? Oh, okay. I eat the apple. I eat the worm too. Really? You eat an apple? Yeah. I like worm. I like the apple too. Oh. Can I eat apple? Okay. Thank you. Yum, 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 yum. Thank you, bird. Oh, the hippo sleep under the tree. The hippo walk over the turtle.
Okay, the hippo step over the turtle.
Yeah.
Yes.
The kangaroo jump. The kangaroo jump over the rock.
Yes.
And climb a tree. Ooh, I am an ant. Okay.
Then play with the bird.
Yeah, and play with the bird. The snail said, "Ant, please come down play with me."
Yes.
The ant said, "Okay." I come down play with snail. Bye bye. Bird. I hear. Wow, play with me. Can you play with me? Okay, let's go. Vroom. The rabbit hop over the rock. The penguin play with the rabbit. Jump. The bear play with the puppy. The alligator play with the dinosaur. Rah, rah.
The alligator and the dinosaur can storm.
Yeah,
Okay.
storm. The alligator climb in. Oh no.
Okay. The alligator sits on the dinosaur.
Yeah. Let's go. Okay, run. It's so fast. Run. The dinosaur and the alligator run
Run around
the animal.
the animal.
Run. Okay. The frog jump. Break up. The frog play with the kangaroo and rabbit. Where is kangaroo? Yeah. Jump. We can jump. Okay, we can jump. Wrinkle, 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 wrinkle. Okay. The bear want eat the apple. The bear say, "Oh, you can
Take
take
the apple
Oh, for
from
me?
me. Yes.
Okay, 1 or 2 or 3. 3. I want 3 apple, please. Okay. 1, 2, and 3. It's for you. Thank you. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum. The apple so yummy. The panda run. The panda run. The panda
Sit
sit on
the
the alligator. It's storm. Ooh, it's me fly in the sky. Woo, woo, ah, ha ha.
look like fly in the sky.
Yeah. The hippo
Step over.
step over the rock.
Yes. Hippo is hiding behind the rock.
The hippo walk under the rock. What?
Yes, crawl under.
Yeah. Where is air? Where's me?
Then I don't see the kangaroo. Where is kangaroo?
Here.
Where? I don't see.
Yeah.
English, please.
Okay.
The kangaroo
The kangaroo
between.
between a frog and the rabbit.
Oh, yeah, thank you. I see.
Okay. The frog say, "Wake up, wake up, wake up." The frog
The frog sitting on the
leaf.
leaf.
The penguin want eat fish. Where is my fish? I don't like fish. I want play. Wake. A snail slow walk slow round the tree.
Around the tree.
Slow. The snail can slam.
Clam.
Ooh. The ants say, "Please come and play with me." Okay.
Come down.
Come down.
Please
with
come
me.
down and play with me.
Okay, slow. Come down, play with ants. Be your friend. The ant sit on the snail. Slow.
Yes, snail work very slow. Yes.
Slow. Okay. The kangaroo has a baby kangaroo. The kangaroo can jump. The kangaroo jump over the puppy.
Yes.
The kangaroo can jump over the rock. Jump. The The turtle walk slow. The turtle walk under the rock. Where is duck? Where is duck?
The puppy.
No, a duck.
A duck. I don't have a duck. Sorry.
Oh. The rabbit hop. The rabbit hop
To hop to the
hop
rock.
to the rock. The and say you can slam. Now I can hop. You can hop. Now I can slam.
Clam.
Clam. You can slam. No, me don't clam. I can hop. Yeah. The dinosaur walk. The dinosaur run. The dinosaur run
Run around the animal.
Run. Okay. I want to eat apple. Can you
Take me.
take me apple for me?
Can you take the apple for me?
Okay, 1 or 2 or 3. I want 2 apple, please. Okay, let's go. Ooh, 1, small or big? Big. 2. Here, thank you. Up. And the dinosaur. You welcome.
You're welcome.
Yeah. A frog want eat the dinosaur want eat a leaf. I eat
Grass.
I want eat a grass.
Grass.
It's so yummy. I want eat more grass. It's so yummy. I want eat leaf. One more. It's so yummy. Okay. The puppy run around the tree. Gấp. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Dan. See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow too.